everybody! I'm here today with a video on the Keurig K Express coffee machine. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a water filter with an easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is my brand new Keurig K Express. Now, this K Express did not come with a water filter in the package, so I had to purchase it separately. As you can see right here, I have the tall handle water filter. You can purchase the short handle one, which is a little bit shorter, or the tall handle one. It depends on the Keurig machine that you have. This is a tall water reservoir, so it would be beneficial for me to use the tall handle one because then it's easy to put in there and then remove from there. So let's get into the video. Now, I'm going to flip the camera screen out so I can see exactly what you see as I come onto the camera frame. Now, this is the actual water filter, okay? The package that I got, I didn't catch it, I said the package that I caught, but it's the package that I got. I guess I caught it from the aisle when I grabbed it. Anyways, the package that I bought came with two of these, and you have to replace them every so often. It says in the instructions, but essentially you have to soak it in water, soak it in cold water for 5 minutes or more, which I've already done, and then rinse it under running cold water for approximately 60 seconds or longer, which I already did. So this is ready to go. I've soaked it for 5 minutes, I've rinsed it for 60 seconds, we're good to go. Essentially, we're going to be putting the water filter in the water filter handle, and then we're going to be putting the water filter handle with the water filter in it inside of the water reservoir attached to the intake of it. Very easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the water filter handle, and it's the same process for the short version of it. As far as I remember, I did one machine in the past, one of my old Keurig machines, I used the shorter filter with an older Keurig machine that I had, and I believe it's the same process. So we're going to open up the bottom by pressing these two tabs like this and sort of prying off the bottom like that. That exposes the opening where the water filter will go. It only fits in one way. You can't put it in the wrong way, as you can see. So you want to put it in the only way that it fits, like that. So it's going to go in like that, okay? Just to show you once again, this is how it goes in there, okay? Then we're going to replace that little lid that goes at the bottom. Make sure it's nice and firmly clicked in place, okay? Now we're going to take this and we are going to place it inside of the water reservoir. Now at the bottom here, this little circular portion clicks into place on the circular portion at the bottom there. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the lid. I'm going to show you the bottom right there. Let's show you this side, okay? So I'm going to take my long handle. I'm going to put it all the way down to the bottom there. I'm going to line it up. I'm sorry, I need to see what I'm doing here through real life, not on the camera screen. I'm going to line it up in place. So as you can see right there, it's lined up. It's on top of the inlet. And I'm going to press it down until it clicks. And it should click nicely in place. So listen for it. There you go. Okay? You can go ahead and just give it like one of these. And as you can see, it's not coming out of there. If you pull hard enough, it's going to come out because that's how you remove it. I can pull hard enough and I will remove it. But if you clicked it in place, it should not just sort of pop out by itself. So once again, just to show you, I'm going to click it in place. We'll try that one more time. That wasn't really satisfying. I like hearing a nice click, but it's hard to look through the camera screen. So we're going to click it in place one more time. There we go. It's clicked in place. Once again, securely in place. Now what you can do is you can fill up your water reservoir with water, with fresh water to use to make your coffee, and then this water is then going to pass through the water filter. So essentially this water is going to be filtered, which is going to be, you know, better for you, better tasting, more consistent flavor. Now we can put it back in place like that, and we're good to go. So that is essentially how to install a water filter on the Keurig K Express coffee machine. It's actually relatively easy to do, but like I said, I had to purchase this separately. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know just to clarify before I finish the video, I had to purchase the water filter and handle separately, okay? Some Keurig machines come with them included in the package. This one didn't. Yours might. I don't know about every Keurig K Express all over the world, but mine didn't, so I purchased this separately. So check on the packaging or in the box to see if yours actually comes with one, because you never know, it might, depending on where you live, where you're buying it from, they might have different packaging and stuff like that. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.